Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Living the Best Life in Retirement. I've really enjoyed particularly doing this vlog. It's brought me great joy and I hope you enjoy it. I am travelling with my husband, even though he doesn't really appear in the vlogs very often. He's quite shy and he doesn't like being in them, but he does contribute a fair bit to it. In this vlog, he's taken some amazing drone photos and videos, which I'm really hoping that you will stay on. They're going to be towards the end as we walk around on the walks. They're really impressive. Some beautiful scenery here in Aramac. I'm not actually in Aramac at the moment. We've travelled on, but the vlog is about Aramac. So without further ado, if you please support me by liking my vlog on YouTube, subscribing to my channel and make some comments. That would really help my channel grow. See you in the vlog. To apologise for being out of sync. We are remote and we're using our Starlink and I'm not sure why it's got this. Welcome to Aramac, an outback town in Queensland. We used to actually live and work here, and we had a lovely time. There's some amazing walks. Has to be top on the list of the RV friendliest town in Queensland, especially. I know other little towns have had the accolades, but this beautiful caravan site, $40 for 2 nights, $20 a night. But if you stay and pay for 2 nights, you can stay up to 5 nights. How amazing is that? But anyway, it is a beautiful place. The locals are trying really hard to make it RV friendly, but stay with us. We'll tell you the story of the white bull as we go around. There is a story and they're scattered all around the town. It's great. You've got the sculpture trail, which is just down the road, which is nearly 200 kilometres long, with probably about 45 amazing sculptures made out of rubbish, basically. So stay with us, or stay with me anyway, and I'll take you around. Okay, it's got the sign. It's the 6th of the 6th, 25, 26 degrees, and it's winter. Oh, the camera's blowing. Very windy here. You're probably wondering why there's a great big statue of a white bull in the middle of the main street in Aramac, and this is the main street. There was a man called Harry Redford who started a carrier business transporting cattle throughout Queensland, but he went to the Downs station, which is not far from Aramac, and there was a big, magnificent white bull there, and he decided to steal it, and he took it down south, and he was hoping to mingle with the rest of the herd and not be noticed. But somebody did notice it and reported it, and he ended up going to Roma court for cattle duffing, which is stealing cattle. And he became a bit of a legend because he got away with it, and he was romanticised in the past. People started romanticising it, and he was eventually called Captain Starlight because he got away with it. And all around the town you'll see lots of little bulls, which I'll show you, which are quite cute and a bit of a tourist attraction actually. So stay with me and I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to take you around town now and show you some of the different bulls around town. And this is the fire station, and they give names to their little white bulls outside, what service they provide. And this little fella here is called Burnable. So predictable. Guess where Shoppable is? He's outside the main store. Used to have a butcher. Oh, we've got a butcher open again. He wasn't open before, I don't think. Okay, we've got Ollie's Landers, which is where the community library was, which is now a pharmacy. And we've got a shop which sells basically everything. It's the only shop in town. Okay, we've got Medicare, anything to do the town needs in regard to tax and Medicare, and that's, I think you can do some banking now. It's got bankable. And next we've got the Aramac library called the Readable. And there they've got the aquatic centre, the swimming pool, which is really lovely too. Somewhere, oh my God, this place has been tidied up. It was a deceased estate. And the relatives, when we lived here, were told to clean it up. And my God, it's obviously been bought. It's beautiful. It's the old Queensland Bank. Okay. All right. We're on the main street of the town. That's the pub. They do have some accommodation here, probably 2 or 3 little shearers shed accommodation. Somebody at the back. Oh, I think they did boot scooting or something. I think they were doing boot scooting. And that's the Aramac Hotel. And there's some more great toilets. And here we have Tracy cleaning. Hi Tracy. Hello. You're on camera. This is our amazing cleaner. Cleans everywhere. Everybody just thinks the amenities are great in Aramac. And this lady's responsible for it. Welcome to the most unusual cafe that you've probably ever seen. It's called the Starlight Cafe and it's in Aramac. As you know, I'm talking about Aramac. We're here now. And it's really quite unusual. We love it here. We go into his living room. Morning, Owen.
Hello, Darwin. How are you?
I'm just saying.
What are you up to?
Best coffee in Aramac, this, isn't it?
Hey?
Best coffee in Aramac.
Probably bloody having you one.
You make the best coffee. And this is his lounge. You come in through the front door. The number of people that have walked through that door had a really nice welcome and a cup of beautiful coffee, and they go to pay with their card and he goes, "Oh mate, we don't take EFTPOS." And they go, "Oh, I haven't got any cash," and there's nowhere to get cash here. So he goes, "Oh, you'll be coming through again, so you can pay me then." He's such a great fella. And here we have the Aramac post office. Most of the post office have similar designs all over Queensland. They're all like this. People come, there's no postal delivery to houses in any of the places out west, even in the place where we live at Buxton, the postable. So people come here to collect their mail, and inside the shop they sell, post office, they sell shoes and clothes, some clothes, presents, because if it's someone's birthday, where do you buy something here when you're a good hour or so? There's a big cattle truck, a road fence. And here we have the roundabout. Well, I'm not sure if it is a roundabout, but I think people treat it, oh, it is a roundabout, they've got lines. And in the distance over there was the house that we lived in while we were here, which was opposite the Aramac Council yard. Yeah, it's really lovely. It's a shame that, and even behind the doors there's some really nice saying. Let's have a look behind the doors. I don't know. A good day starts with a positive attitude, smile, and a great cup of coffee. Good morning. This here is a roo box. Roo shooting is quite a lucrative occupation here out west, because the roos are perceived as a nuisance. They're greatly overpopulated and they probably eat a lot of the cattle feed and the sheep feed or whatever crops that are growing. So yeah, people out here out west go roo shooting and make a fair bit of money out of it. And if you look along here on the fence line, there's a lot of probably pig snouts with tags on, and I've been told, I don't know how much truth is in it, but this was used to identify the shooters, what they had put in the fridge. I think it's still a usable fridge box. It's definitely got like an air conditioning thing in there. So